This year and beyond, artificial intelligence is going to take all over the world just as Bitcoin was. Yes, I said it. AI is the next Bitcoin. Think about it. Just as Bitcoin changed the way we see and handle money, that is what AI is doing now. AI is about to change everything from how we work to how we live. It is already here. It is already here. The question is, are you ready to take advantage of this great opportunity? In this video, we are going to look at how AI is transforming industries and the entire world. Yes, and we are going to look at how you can use AI to work smarter and not harder. So, whether you are a parent, a student, a teacher, whether you are a business owner, or just anyone who is looking at how to be efficient with whatever you are doing, AI is going to help you to use less to achieve more. So, what is AI? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is the technology that makes machines able to think and act like humans. Let me break it down for you. Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, and other social media handles are able to suggest to you more videos that you are interested in. How did they know the videos you are interested in? That is AI. As teachers, Grammarly checks your grammar and your spellings when you are typing. Well, guess what? That is AI. And as students, when you Google for an information, or you use ChatGPT or Meta AI, or you ask Siri or Alexa, well, that is AI. So you see, AI is already with us. But wait, why did I compare AI to Bitcoin? This is because in 2014, Bitcoin was undervalued and misunderstood, just like AI is experiencing now. Well, Bitcoin is now a household name, and those that benefited are still reaping their harvest. Guess what? AI is experiencing the same thing. Currently, AI is being undervalued. Most people are not paying attention to it. Most people don't care what is happening to it. But guess what? Very soon, AI is going to change the way we work, learn, and live. If you start now, you will get ahead of the curve. Parents, a lot of apps are online that can help you to shop online, buy foodstuffs and clothing and other important accessories in the comfort of your home. Guess what? There are other apps, educational apps that your children can use in their house that will help them to achieve their academic goals. Teachers, there are a lot of AI tools online. There are a lot of apps that will help you to be able to get more knowledge in helping students with various difficulties, students with various academic backgrounds. AI is here to help. Students, AI is your secret weapon to learning smarter, not harder. Now, I know some of you might think, is AI going to replace us? The answer is no. AI is not going to replace the teacher in the classroom. AI is not going to replace the pastor in the church. AI is not going to replace the banker in the bank. AI is not going to replace you at your workplace. AI is not here to replace you. It is here to make you better. Think of AI as your personal assistant who is helping you to make things so easier and able to help you to focus on the right things. See, the most important information you should know is that AI is the next big thing. You should get used to it. Learn a lot of how to improve yourself at your workplace using AI. If someone is to replace you, then it is that person who has mastered how to use AI tools to do your work more faster and easier, not a robot on your computer. If you are thinking, I am not a tech expert, I don't know much about computers, I hardly know how to operate my own phone, so how can AI help me? Don't worry. The answer is simple. AI is becoming more user-friendly as days goes by. You don't necessarily need any knowledge in computer science before you can take advantage of AI. Here is how to get started. Look, take advantage of Google. Yes, now when you Google anything, AI gives you a response. Okay, yes, start using Meta AI on your WhatsApp or Facebook. Take advantage of my best AI tool, ChatGPT. Use AI assistants like voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, Google. They can help you in organizing your days, setting reminders, and provide you with basic information that you need online. The next thing you can do is to explore AI tools. Yes, go to Google Play Store, go to App Store, download apps that will help you in managing your health, your finance, your fitness, your academics. Just download them and then use these apps. Yes, yes, explore these tools, explore these apps, and you'll be acquainted with them as time goes on before you realize you are good at it. Parents, download apps that will help you to track your health, your finances, and other aspects of your lives. Students, guess what? There are a lot of apps and AI powered tools that will help you to be better at your academics. Teachers, there are a lot of apps and AI powered tools that will be able to help you in your lesson preparation and in helping your children to become better at whatever they want to be. Remember, just like Bitcoin, the earlier you start with AI, the better advantage you have. And guess what? Subscribe to the channel because very soon I'm going to give you various tips on how AI can help you parents, teachers, and students. Please pay attention. AI is here to stay. AI is here for the future and the present. AI is affecting the way we live, the way we work, and the way we learn. Accept it. Just like Bitcoin changed the world of finance, AI will revolutionize education and life as we all know. Take action today. Let AI help you to work smarter. Remember, we no longer learn hard again. We no longer work hard. Now, we are working and we are learning smart. Take advantage of the smart world. Take advantage of artificial intelligence. Let AI help you to remain smart and not hard. The earlier you embrace it, the better you stand your chance to gain. It's about working smarter and not harder. Don't wait the future to catch up with you. Start integrating AI in whatever you are doing today. Remember, AI is not going to replace you, but someone who has taken advantage of AI and is working smarter, spending less time and resources may replace you one day and not AI. We've come to the end of this video. I'm sure you love it. Please do share this with someone. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Give me a thumbs up and let me hear from you in the comment section. Until we meet next time for another video on technology, this is your favorite teacher, Teacher Yima. Bye-bye.